Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing just fine. So this video is for senior 2. The topic is Other Worlds from unit number 9. Chapter name is Treguica Manor, which can be found on page number 227. So the theme of this chapter is that the extract has come from a story called Shadowmancer, which is a story about heaven and earth and a battle between goodness and evil. So the character Kate, which is a 12-year-old girl, and her friend Thomas, a 13-year-old boy, and Rafa, who was an African boy who was washed ashore following a shipwreck, they all are fighting a battle against Obabdiah Demural, who is a local vicar. Vicar is a person who is a representative of a priest of a church. So Rafa is guarding the cherubim, which is a relic which the wicked Demural needs to spread darkness in the world. So in this story, what children have been doing is that they have been caught in a hailstorm on the moors during the adventures, and they have arrived at the door of a manor to ask for shelter. So the story starts with a short man with a very red face who had a very friendly smile and who was dressed up in nice pair of breeches. Breeches means trousers, and a red hunting coat and black riding boots. And he opens the door, and the girl Kate tells the man that her friends and Kate her friends are at the gate and they are in trouble because they have been caught in a hailstorm, and they ask the man if they could stay at his manor for a one night. And they were also wondering why the gate was opened by the Lord himself and not the servants. So the man asks them to come inside, and he also offers them food to eat. When they see outside, they could see the sky was filled with dark clouds, and they could see how the moon was fighting against the dark clouds to give its light to the world. Then the man tells them that his house is called Treguica Manor, and it has been in his family since last 300 years. He also tells them his name, which is Lord Fenester. Then he tells them to get warm, and then he starts telling then he starts asking them about their story, that why are they out in hailstorm and what has happened to them. So meanwhile, the man starts boiling his coffee, and all of them are very surprised that he is a lord and he is working by himself and there are no servants in the house. So as they were sitting, Kate suddenly falls asleep, and then she dreams she dreams about streets and houses and a great spire of a church rising up, and then it gets vanished into swirling sails of ship, which really surprises her when she wakes up. So when they are offered coffee, Rafa gently refuses to have the drink while everyone else has the drink, and they also have food to eat. Thomas, after drinking the coffee, feels so comfortable in the house, and he feels the urge of sharing about what has happened to them. Finister gets really shocked and asks them why they are here and why they are fighting against Obabdiah and this battle, and he also asks them where the cherubim was. Before anyone could share where it was, Rafa suddenly tells the Lord that it is lost, and he also has to go back to find it. Finister gets a little worried, but then he tells the people, these kids, to sleep in the servants' room, and then he also tells them that he has already lit a fire too before their arrival, but then he realizes that he has spoken so much and they can catch him, so he suddenly stops speaking. Then he takes them higher and higher to a room, and he tells them not to worry about owls and foxes outside the house, which sound like human, but they should just ignore it and sleep. And then he also warns them not to go around wandering in the corridors because they can have some accident. When he goes out, Thomas and Kate quickly fall asleep. However, Rafa sits in his bed listening to every noise in the house, and he knew that something would just come up. So the activity is that you have to find out difficult meanings of the difficult words